Imagine this. You're finally ready to buy your dream home, send your child to college, or retire comfortably. You've worked hard and saved diligently. But did you know that choosing the right investment vehicle can make all the difference? That's where mutual funds come in. Like a skilled captain steering your ship towards a treasure island, the right mutual fund can help you navigate the often complex world of investing and bring you closer to your financial goals. However, just like choosing the wrong ship or captain can lead you astray, selecting the wrong mutual fund can jeopardize your financial well-being. It's crucial to understand that not all mutual funds are created equal. Each fund comes with its own risk profile, investment strategy, and potential for returns. Picking the wrong one can lead to missed opportunities, lower returns, or even losses. That's why it's essential to arm yourself with the knowledge and tools to make informed decisions about your investments. In this essay, we'll embark on a journey to demystify the world of mutual funds and equip you with the knowledge to choose the one that aligns perfectly with your financial aspirations. And here's an extra incentive to stay tuned. We're giving away a surprise of 21,000 rupees to one lucky reader. We believe that everyone deserves a chance to achieve their financial dreams. That's why we're offering a special bonus of 21,000 rupees to one lucky reader who finishes this essay and takes the first step towards investing wisely. Imagine what you could do with an extra 21,000 rupees. You could use it to kickstart your investment journey, pay off a small debt, or even treat yourself to something special. But more importantly, by reading this essay, you'll gain invaluable knowledge that can empower you to make smart financial decisions for years to come. This knowledge is priceless and can help you grow your wealth far beyond the initial 21,000 rupees bonus. So keep reading to learn how to choose the right mutual fund and unlock your financial potential. Before you even think about specific mutual funds, you need to define your financial goals. What are you saving for? Is it a short-term goal like buying a new car in a couple of years? Or a long-term goal like retirement planning that's decades away? Short-term goals require investments that offer stability and easy access to your money. Think of it like keeping your money in a piggy bank. You might not earn much interest, but it's safe and readily available. Medium-term goals, like saving for a down payment on a house, need a balance of growth and security. Finally, long-term goals like retirement allow you to take on more risk for potentially higher returns. This is like planting a seed and patiently nurturing it into a strong tree. It takes time, but the rewards can be substantial. Once you know your goals, it's time to assess your risk tolerance. Risk tolerance is your ability to stomach the ups and downs of the market without panicking. Imagine you're on a roller coaster. Some people love the thrill, while others prefer a calm carousel ride. Similarly, some investments are like roller coasters, offering potential for high returns but also carrying higher risk. Others are more like carousels, providing stability but with lower potential returns. Your risk tolerance depends on your financial situation, investment timeframe, and personality. In today's fast-paced world, who has time to constantly monitor their investments? Thankfully, you don't need to. Automating your investments can save you time and effort while ensuring you stay on track. Think of it like setting up a recurring payment for your bills. Once you set it up, you can sit back and relax, knowing that everything is taken care of. With automated investing, you can set a schedule and amount for your mutual fund investments. This way, you'll consistently invest without having to remember or manually make transactions. Now comes the exciting part, choosing your mutual fund. It's crucial to research a fund's past performance. While past performance doesn't guarantee future returns, it provides valuable insights into how the fund has performed in different market conditions. Look for funds with a consistent track record of delivering returns that align with your risk tolerance and investment goals. Additionally, pay attention to the expense ratio, which is the annual fee charged by the fund. Lower expense ratios mean more of your money is working for you, so always compare and choose funds with reasonable fees. Remember the age-old saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket. The same applies to investing. Diversification is key to mitigating risk and maximizing returns. Instead of putting all your money into a single mutual fund, spread your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate. You can also diversify within each asset class by investing in funds with varying investment strategies and holdings. Congratulations! You've now learned the essential steps to choosing the right mutual fund for your needs. Let's quickly recap what we've covered. 1. Define your financial goals. Determine what you're saving for and your investment time frame. 2. Assess your risk tolerance. Understand your comfort level with market fluctuations. 3. Automate your investments. Simplify your life and ensure consistency. 4. Research fund performance. Look for consistent returns and reasonable expense ratios. 5. Diversify your portfolio. Spread your risk and maximize your potential for returns. By following these steps, you can make informed investment decisions and pave your way towards financial success. Now that you're equipped with the knowledge to choose the right mutual fund, it's time to take action. Remember that Rs 21,000 bonus we mentioned earlier? By taking the first step towards investing wisely, you'll be automatically entered for a chance to win. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Start your investment journey today and take control of your financial future.